I am making a vegan lasagna with a tofu ricotta. I have some zucchini, squash, mushrooms, and garlic that I cut up into like whatever, bite-sized pieces. So now I'm just going to take that, add some olive oil to a hot pan, saute it all, add a little bit of garlic powder, salt, pepper, Italian seasoning. Cook it till it's nice and soft. Now I'm going through and finding the best parts of the spinach. I don't know if y'all just eat y'all's, but I like to go through and pick out all the good parts. And then put that into my mixture here. Also cook it till about a couple of minutes. Now I'm making a tofu ricotta. I got my tofu extra firm, some garlic hummus, some nutritional yeast, garlic powder, and some salt. Mixing it all around till it's nice and incorporated. And so what you have here for this long pause is my son was playing in the kitchen and got his car stuck underneath the oven. So I paused it to go get his car and back to the video. So now this is the pan that I'm using. I just put a little bit of sauce at the bottom. I'm using some no boil lasagna noodles. And then I just cut them so I can fit into the whole pan. I'm layering it. Layer it however you want. I honestly haven't made lasagna in a while, so I just layered it how I felt like I needed to. So that's my mixture. Now I'm adding the sauce. And then a little bit of the zucchini. No, that's the tofu. Then the zucchini, squash, and mushroom mixture. And then I finish it off with a little bit of, again, the no boil noodles, a little bit of the sauce, and I put some tofu ricotta on top, just a little bit. And then I put some some spinach, because that's what I had. Cut it up. That's what it looks like when it's done. And then I paired it with a Caesar salad and some garlic bread.